Did you know a clean home can do more than just impress? It can transform feelings, relationships, and even your wallet. Imagine stepping into a space where every corner sparkles and the air feels fresh. That's not just aesthetics, it's a vibe. A clean home invites positivity and comfort, making it an ideal setting for gatherings or simple family moments. As realtors, your listings deserve that same magic. TidyTex Home Cleaning specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they shine brighter than the competition. Quick turnarounds mean you can get your property ready for open houses or buyer visits in no time. But here's a pro tip. Enhance a home's appeal by opening all blinds and turning on lights before showings. A well-lit space highlights the best features and makes buyers feel at home. Our reliable and professional team is here to help realtors close deals faster and leave a lasting impression. Ready to elevate your listings? Contact us today for details on how TidyTex can make your properties irresistible. Visit our website or call us for a quote. Together, let's make your homes shine.